Alright, let's go. Good morning. It's 3 in the morning. So, night ride ulit tayo, or morning ride. To look for some coffee spots. So, isa lang tayo ngayon. Tignan natin kung may hahabol. Alright. Night ride feels different, no? Hindi masyadong chaotic. Cool breeze. Saan tayo mapadpad today? Maybe meet natin si Gojo Motovlog. Nakakatakot tong mga truck, ang laki. Shit. Parang sarap dumiretso ng Pampanga. O kaya tempting. Kaya masyado makapag-vlog. Medyo na-irita tayo sa mga truck. May ilang tayo. Ako, ito yung mahirap dito. Malubak dito sa part na to. Kasi puro truck ang dumadaan. So let's stay on the third lane. Kaya na, laki. Dang, stay away from those. Too close for comfort. Nasa likuran natin. Shit. Nakikita niyo ba sa camera? Crazy, man. So I think mas maganda if yung mga trucks that we have here may speed limiter, just like in other countries. Kasi itong mga trucks natin are like, I don't know, mostly converted from Japan. So right hand drive, naging left hand drive. So roadworthy ba itong mga to? I don't know. And then wala pa tayong, I don't think we have like a proper truck driving school, or at least certification for truck drivers. I reckon that, you know, these guys are like dating pahinante, naturuan ng driver, and when the driver retired, sila na yung pumalit as a, you know, main driver. So ayun. Grabe, I didn't see that shit. Eh, dapat talaga when you're riding at night, medyo dahan-dahan. Kasi minsan yung mga alon-alon sa kalsada, it's like difficult to see. Especially with stoplights. Matagal na tayo hindi nakadaan dito sa area na to. So, let's see kung ano mga bago. Marami ring food spots dito sa may Marikina eh. I think yung famous is the Lilac. I don't know where we are, honestly. Mukha naman safe dito, but you know, when you're riding alone, keep your guard up. Treat everybody as a suspect. So don't stop for anything. If you have to really stop, do it sa well-lit area. You may CCTV. There are people. So okay, we're like 6 kilometers away. Ayos, we're making good progress. Racing. Okay. Racing si Kuya. Wala nagawa yung mga police. But good that there's checkpoint, so at least may level ng safety. Wala palang ilaw si Kuya. When you're riding at night, jogging, biking, you have a responsibility to be visible on the road. Ayan, walang reflector man lang. Pedicab driver. So, safe naman. Daming gas stations. What is this? Pocket this. Oh, there's Kabsat here. Hindi ka na magpupunta ng ano, di ba? Marilaki. Malapit-lapit. Okay, nice. San Mateo. Medyo dito. Iba na yung vibe. Alright, we're here. Hi.
Mototech Vlogs.
Same.